wanted to show you, first off, how well this handheld USB charged vacuum and blower works right out of the gate. Because sometimes it's quicker to demonstrate the product during a review than to explain it first and then demonstrate. So I just wanted to show you out of the gate how effective it actually is. So this is a handheld vacuum and blower. The vacuum part is right here. You can see inside what it picks up. This is great for small spaces. It's great for the kitchen. It's great for your car. It has everything's gonna fall out. Has a filter, a HEPA filter in here, and you could rinse out and use it again if you would like to. This is the blower part, and I'm gonna blow my computer, keyboard. I guess that would be hard to see. And it comes with a little brush right here, so you can brush in between the keyboards. It also comes with another attachment. This easily comes off. This comes off right here. And then it also has a longer attachment for right here when you attach this back to the blower part. And this gets hard to reach places in your couch or in your seat in the car, or a car seat when your kids are eating and they have crumbs everywhere. This is perfect for that. It comes with its own charger. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to charge, so it's very handy. I appreciate Meudeen send me this in exchange for my honest review. It's one of my favorite products that I have around the house for convenience and because it's compact and powerful.